guys, welcome to my channel. My lighting is terrible. It's take 2, which is gonna be the last take because I just finished homework and I gotta do some things in here or pretend to do some things in here. So I have been working on the yard because over there, like, I actually can see things happening. And I'm not getting that many obstacles. Whereas here, I feel like every single thing I do or touch is just not coming out right. I feel like it's the longest renovation in like the history of renovations, which I know it's not the case, but it feels like it, and I don't know, I'm over it. I miss my parents because they were here and it was like such a full place before, and now I'm just here by myself, like renovating and, you know, like pretending to renovate more like it. But yeah, because I haven't done, like, I just come in here and things keep going wrong. So I decided to show you a sneak peek of the kitchen. Yeah, so let's go. I'm gonna turn. So this is the kitchen, or what's gonna be the kitchen. So over here I decided to give it a more custom look. So I will put that like edge thing wherever I find it to buy it, and then do crown molding over there. So all of these drawers are mismatched, obviously, like you can tell. I was gonna not paint the top, but you can see that this is like a creamier white than this one. This is what I'm talking about. Like, see how they're not, like, this one's sloping down? Like, I have to fix it. I tried to fix it last night and I just gave up because, like, I'm over it. But I do have to take them down now and paint everything. So the countertops, this is the second countertop that I bought because the first one we cut wrong. We didn't realize that I needed a little bit more space here. I just bought this for like oil and like condiments and stuff like that. And I still have to put, see, I needed like a piece and a half of tile, so I bought 4 more pieces. See, this is what I'm talking about. I don't know how the lighting is because I can't see myself right now, but like every single turn, like, I didn't have enough material, something was happening. I just, like, I'm over it, but I have to finish it, you know what I mean? Here I gotta do the little, you know, like, I gotta cut the half circles and put that in there. I tried a grout. I cannot clean this tile to save my life, and it's just like, I don't know. And then the biggest thing in here is that I had all these leaks and I paid all this money for the plumber to come and fix it, and it's still not fixed. Like, I connected the faucet, I paid them a bunch of money to come and connect the drains. The drain is finally connected and I don't have any water. That is the most water that I'm getting. Yeah. And before you tell me that the water is not turned on from the street, it is, because both of the bathrooms have water. And the first day that I connected the faucet, I had cold water, and now I don't have either waters. Also, did I mention that I paid the plumber a lot of money to come and connect these drains, and every single drain leaked? Like, they're like a really big company. I don't want to say their name, but they're a really big company that's like nationwide, and I just can't wrap my head around it. Like, every single turn that something could have gone wrong, it went wrong. And don't come at me and tell me it's my mentality, because I came into this very positive and I finished my side against like all odds and like super fast. I don't even understand how we did that. Like, I don't understand. But yeah, so I am gonna call the plumber. I work tomorrow, so on Tuesday. So I'm gonna call the plumber. You know, it is Sunday today. So we'll see. Obviously the same plumber, and be like, either give me my money back or like fix my issues. Like, that is just not okay. And hopefully they can figure out why I don't have water either. Even though that's another plumbing company that messed up. It's just, I don't understand. It almost makes me want to go and like become a plumber so I can do all my own plumbing, but whatever. I'm gonna show you right here. I'm gonna have a pendant light, and then like a little coffee bar thingy and all that. I'm gonna paint all the cabinets because this is a cabinet that I had left over from my side, so obviously they can't be like this. I will paint them all this color. It's like a little light blue. I hope I didn't show you like towards the living room because I don't want to reveal everything just yet. But yeah, this is what I have going on. And if you know me in real life and I'm in a mood, it's because I come home and I gotta deal with this. So I'm sorry in advance. I'm trying to be nice. Also, can school be over? Like I'm just over it. I don't know. I don't know why. I signed up for classes again, but I guess I just can't stand still. I always gotta do things. So keeping myself busy. I'm sorry this was just a big rant, but at least you got to see the kitchen, because I haven't showed you anything that's been happening in here in a long time. So I don't think there's gonna be a video next weekend. I have some things going on, but I will see you guys next time. Take care. Mwah.